So I want to join this cube to this rod, but not by electrical welding. I want to thank two guys for their generous donations, and they would be Dennis Jacobs and Jerry S. Hodges. The donations really do help me take time to make these videos, so thank you very much. In hindsight, I might have hot punched this hole, but it's fine, drilling is okay. It's really not necessary to have a guillotine tool for this, but it does help to define the shoulders better. I marked too much off. This tenon is way too long. If I were to do this again, I think I would try to keep the tenon thicker. Either drill a larger diameter hole or, as I said before, hot punch a hole. This way the tenon would have more strength. This is where it concerns me. As it's bending back and forth, I'm afraid the tenon will snap off. I get smart and move on to my new anvil, which is absolutely perfect for this job, as it allows me to hold that rod level. It looks okay, but I'm still concerned about the tenon strength, so I think I'm going to try to forge weld this. Before bringing it up to welding temperature, I decide to work it just one more time, just to thin out where the pieces meet. Try not to look directly in your forge. After a certain temperature, everything becomes one color. I decide to give it one more heat. The well seems to have mostly taken. There's still a small seam, but I think that the well, where it has taken, has improved the strength considerably. Well, now I need to know what I'm going to make with this. Any suggestions are welcome. Thanks for watching and sticking with this one, and as usual, I'll catch you guys next time.